This is the Underground Railroad in Massachusetts by Jenna, Susan, Caitlin, and Olivia.
The Underground Railroad was a network of routes, trails, and safe houses that would guide slaves to freedom. It was used by the slaves to escape their enslavement and make their way to the north, where they could then become free. The safe houses were houses that slaves could hide in that were not dangerous to them. That would help slaves make their way to freedom. These locations were where slaves could eat, sleep, find protection, and hide. These houses were owned by abolitionists who wanted to help slaves escape.
Massachusetts is home to many of the safe houses used by slaves in the Underground Railroad. There are several houses in Groveland that took part in this, such as the Parker House and the Lemuel Martin House, both located on Main Street. There are also many other houses involved in the Underground Railroad in Massachusetts.
The Parker House and Martin House both had tunnels from the houses leading down to the Merrimack River. They also had secret hidden rooms for the slaves to hide in. These helped the slaves make their way to Canada for freedom. Most houses would have secret rooms or tunnels inside them.
This is the Lemuel Martin House. It's functioning, people still live in it, and it's on Main Street. And this is a Parker House, also located on Main Street. It's abandoned, closed down, and very overgrown.
Safe houses would consist of fake walls, secret passageways, and hidden rooms to help slaves escape to freedom.
This is a Google Earth of the Lemuel Martin House and the Parker House. Here we're zooming in on the Parker House. It's very abandoned and it's white and it's overgrown. And here is the Lemuel Martin House. It's still in use and it's in good condition. They're both in Groveland and they're close to the Pentucket Regional High School and the Groveland Center. Both of these houses were owned by abolitionists who took part in the slaves' escape to freedom.